cobblestones impart a sense of calm. Big H, little I. Hi! So first, we're gonna have some clay pieces of all different colors. We're going to be using
by this book, but we were a little too lazy to follow.
Well, we tried to, but it didn't turn out it didn't exactly work by the book. We did some of it, but and you have to condition the clay, which is basically just squeezing and rolling it until it becomes soft. And the book, you don't have to follow it, but if you need some step-by-step, then you can get that. But we kind of did it our own way after looking through the book once or twice.
Or thirds.
We're going to be making some pastel stripes, something we saw in the book. And
Orange colors as you like.
You can add any colors you like. And as you can see, my mom's not really doing what you're supposed to do. And you're supposed to roll it till you see a good pattern that you like. And since she didn't follow the book, it was kind of not expected, and we didn't have the same colors, but it still turned out to be really pretty.
But still, don't roll it too much because see that kind of brown color? Yeah, my mom rolled it too much.
And you have to, when you remove and wrap, make sure to get off all the excess and make sure there's no air bubbles. That can lead it to be like dangerous when you're baking it.
Once I add decorative highlights. Once I made one, I tried being creative, but I made an air bubble.
Yeah.
Experiment with colors. I actually did that.
You see that light green? It's actually much lighter, but the computer's making it kind of warped. I'm kind of going for a pastel color theme right there, while my mom's kind of going for a dark theme. Oh, there's my brother's favorite Beyblade. Well, not favorite Beyblade, Phaleon. He's like really obsessed with them, so he has them like
in the
everywhere.
Roll and roll more until you like the
pattern. He literally gets Beyblades for like every occasion, like his birthday, for a prize, like just literally. It's just like Beyblade. That's all I ever hear about. And see, I'm nice and rolling it about. See, he's even playing it while we're making something. I mean, like, if that's not obsession, I don't know what that is.
Different ways of mixing colors together.
Be creative. See how I made those tiny splotches? Those can be perfect to add patches or one of the creative highlights. Those are not included in the book, but just something that I happened to make while I was bored and crafting something. And let me just finish the sentence I said before. If that's not an obsession, I don't know what it is. Anyway, now we're gonna be using my pattern, which is basically you just roll it. Nope, my mom made a mistake there. You're not supposed to stripe it like that, but it also works for my mom, I guess. Because she's kind of going for green tones, so I guess she's doing it. But my way is that you roll it up and then you mix them together and kind of make a circle shape and then flatten them out. See? That's how you do it. And then once you roll it out, you're gonna get like a mixed pattern. The other ones are prettier if you put in more colors, and that one was kind of black and white. See, those are the cute, adorable little patches I made. You can make them too. You just have to put some almost mixed colors, but not completely. See that little purple splotch right there?
Yeah, I do see it.
If you mix it with some stuff, it could look really great. Oh no, don't use the other patch. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that. Now that I rewatched it, I just realized that there was a patch in there. Surprise! Anyway, let's get back. And Mike, I told
all the air bubbles. And there's one air bubble.
And like I said before, try to keep all the air bubbles out. And then after you're done, bake them in the oven.
But it excludes how long it has to be because how big.
Yeah, it really depends on the clay. Hey, and just say, the rainbow one's mine.